Smiley in the morning, today's best music all day, Z99.5, and it's a Rib America winning weekend, and it continues. Keep listening for your chance to win. Here's Bon Jovi, Have a Nice Day, on Z99.5. Smiley in the morning, today's best music all day, Z99.5, Leanne Rimes, Can't Fight the Moonlight, and it's a Rib America winning weekend. Winners get dinner for two, courtesy of Pigfoot, plus we'll select one grand prize winner to bring 9 friends and watch one of the concerts from a VIP viewing area. Melissa, are you ready to sing for your supper?
Am I what?
You heard me. Sing for your supper.
Oh, no.
Yes. Oh, it's so easy. It's so easy, Melissa. I'll tell you, one of the acts that's going to be out there at the Rib America Festival is a Beatlemania Live. Now, I know you know a Beatles song.
Yesterday was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday.
Good job!
I have a car full of teenagers.
Uh-huh. And they're looking at you right now like you are nuts.
Yes, they are.
Smiley in the morning, today's best music all day, Z99.5, and a mega makeover from Indie Laser Hair Removal could be yours if you're a freeloader. Get all the info, sign up today at Z995.com.
The weatherman.
Smiley in the morning, today's best music all day, Z99.5. And another shot to get at Smiley's Beach House coming up Monday. Here's Lit on Z99.5. Smiley in the morning, today's best music all day, Z99.5. And the Rib America winning weekend continues. Keep listening for your chance to win. It's better than ever now.
Z99.5.
Your wireless connection to what's happening.
Sponsored by Bill Estes Chevrolet.
Freeloaders, check out the special offers page this week to learn about GroceryNow.com, where you can order your groceries online and then have them delivered right to your door. Make any purchase at GroceryNow.com and you'll receive 1,000 bonus points. Check it out today.
If it's happening.